In this video, I'm going to show you how to download the Razer Huntsman Mini software. Now, the first thing you have to do, you want to go to their official website, you want to hover over PC up top, and then you want to go to here where it says software, click on it, and then from here you have two options. You can download Razer Synapse, which basically, as you'll be able to see in a few seconds here, is basically a software which allows you to customize and control all your Razer devices from one powerful platform. So, of course, this is kind of the main thing you can download, and then when you do that, you also have the Chroma RGB, which will basically allow you to actually control everything regarding colors and stuff like that. So to be able to download both of these, it's actually very simple. Let me show you. You simply have to go back to Synapse over here, click on download for either Windows or Mac, and this is going to download. You want to click on it. And then when you click on it here, you'll be able to see it's going to open up this Razer window. There we go. And then here you want to press continue, and you have the Razer Synapse 4 here. You can install that via the click of this button, and whenever that's done, you can just come back and of course install this Razer Chroma app as well. And then in here you'll be able to install it and of course get the most out of that as well. And you can use both of these software with your Razer Huntsman Mini as well. Okay, so this one for customization, and then this one, as you can see, is going to allow you to control your RGB. So that's it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.